Philippines. For today's video guys, nandito kami sa Sharm El Hotel Big Life event under Lifeway Philippines. Order muna kami guys dito sa sandwich lang kami kasi may kamahalan talaga sa hotel. Nag-hotel pa na sandwich lang din naman. Ang social naman ng ano mo, yung sandwich mo naka plastic bag pa ng Shangri-La. Magkano yan?
800 pa.
So guys, naglalakad kami dito. Sa loob kami ng Shangri-La Hotel. Meron lang kami event. Kasama ko si Director.
Nakakauhaw ang tubig dito.
bago kami guys pupunta sa sira yung elevator dyan. Bago kami pupunta sa venue, bumili muna kami ng sandwich para dun sa kasama namin. Water guys. Isang maliit na water, 200 pesos. Tatlong binali ni Jay. Binalik yung dalawa. Kulang sa budget. Diba, saya? Sabi ko na eh. Okay, so nandito kami sa elevator. So, kumusta experience mo? Nagulat ka ba sa presyo?
Nakakauhaw ang tubig.
Kulang pa yung budget.
Ba't parang kwan? 350. Plus 180.
350 yung sandwich.
Oo nga. Plus 180.
Oh. Eh, 200 yung isa, kaya 1,000 plus ka. Ayaw pa rin niya. Di pa rin siya titigil, guys. Hindi siya makamove on dun sa presyo ng water.
Ating mga managers. And then of course, we do have our Lifeway directors. Please welcome on stage for the Lifeway Philippines Kick-Off, Coach Chocolate.
So many things, the economy, politics, the dollar conversion rate, there's so many things beyond your control. But your working together habits, your collaboration, your willingness to team, that's completely within your hands. So I would submit that is a competitive advantage. And I know a lot of you, you're working on your own as individuals, but it cannot be denied that you are all part of Team Lifeway. Yes? We all deserve a round of applause for this, yes? You see, my belief is that 50% of success in life lies in showing up. Ulitin ko po, 50% of success in life lies in showing up. Now, when you show up, it doesn't automatically guarantee success. But I find the reverse is always true. That is, if you do not show up, you have no chance.
So sana guys, supportahan nyo pa rin kami. Supportahan mo yung YouTube channel ko, ha? And of course, supportahan nyo rin guys kung ano mga ginagawa ko. Okay? All you have to do is to try lang ng aming products or inquire lang po kayo. Bigay ko po yung link ko, yung replicated website ko. Again, sasabihin ko sa inyo, very effective yung patch product na to guys. So, sa akin kasi, kumbaga, personally, I tried the product, very effective siya. Of course, again, may mga ano lang tayo na may mga, hindi lang natin pwede ilagay yung mga medical claims because this is not a drug. This is a phototherapy patch. So, it gives your body a natural healing process. Yun lang yun guys, yun lang yung pinaglalaban namin dito. Wala kami pinaglalaban dito ng kahit ano man. Ano. And with me today, one of the senior director.
Yes, hello.
Kababayan ko siya.
I'm Armila Di Palabos from Iloilo. Kababayan ko si Sir.
Iloilo siya, I'm from Bacolod.
From Iloilo, from Haro, Iloilo. I graduated from Central Philippine University.
Saan, sir?
Sa CPU.
Okay.
CPU.
So, ilang years ka na sa life? As a brand partner.
As a brand partner, I have 2 years and 9 months.
2 years and 9 months. So, I guess you're earning so much dollar now?
Not really.
Napaka-humble na
Affordable,
guys.
affordable.
Pero wag ka. Ano lang to, tahimik lang to, pero
Yes.
dollar earner
Maybe
ka.
a kind of $500 a week.
$500 a week,
Yes.
we are a dollar earner. Ang ano lang doon is how much per,
How much per week.
per week. So iba-iba kami, depende sa performance at depende sa effort na ginagawa din ng brand partner. So if you want to know about how we earn here or magkano yung earnings namin in a weekly basis,
Yes.
comment down below. This is the light, guys. Be the light. So guys, sa wakas natapos na po yung event
Yung
namin.
pagtitiis ni Levi.
Yung pagtitiis ko, nawala na akong ginawa kundi pumalakpak.
Tumawa. At matulog.
So guys, kasama ko pa rin ang director namin. Director siya ng
Pero walang
movie.
pelikula.
Director na walang pelikula. Ang ganda na Shangri-La, no? Saan ba to? The first time ko dito, pero sa ibang area ng Shangri-La, nakakapunta na ako. Kapag check-in na rin ako sa Shangri-La. That was a long time ago. Uwi na kami guys. Nagmamadali yung aming director. May shooting pa daw siya. Anong title ng movie mo? Ah, okay. So guys, pauwi na kami. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. Bye!